Now I've been joined with a group of PWW, Paul Ward's World. They're learning here at the Belgrade Learning Centre, Helen Doron English. Hello.
Hello.
And your name is?
Selena.
And how old are you?
I have 8 years old.
You're 8 years old.
Yes.
Do you know how long you've been learning here? What age were you when you started? Were you 4, 5 when you started?
7.
You're 7. So you've been here a year, 2 years. And do you enjoy learning English here?
Yes.
You like the songs?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what's your favourite food?
My favorite food is potato.
Potatoes. Oh, I like potatoes as well. Let's move on to the next person. It's a group of all girls. Yes? Only girls in the group. What happened to the boys? They ran away. Yes? They ran away. What's your name?
My name is Una.
And how old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years old. And what's your favourite colour?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. And do you like the songs in Paul Ward Word?
Yes.
Okay. Let's hear a song by The Wanted, and then we will carry on talking to your friends, and we'll play a song from Paul Ward Words as well. Hi, Tamara.
Hi.
How are you doing? How are you?
I'm good.
And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
And you enjoy coming to Helen Doron to learn English?
Yes.
Why? What do you like about it? You like the songs, the games?
Songs and games.
And what's your favourite colour?
My favorite color is green.
And your favourite food?
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay, let's move on to the next student. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
And your name?
My name is Tiana.
And your age?
I'm 9 years old.
And how many years have you been coming to Helen Doron?
7.
7 years?
Yeah.
Wow. And who is your favourite teacher here?
Melana.
No.
Of course.
You have to say that because she's here, yes? Yeah. But if I send her out of the room, will you say somebody else?
Yeah.
No. And do you learn English at school as well?
Yeah.
Is it better to learn English here or at school?
Here.
Because? Why?
Because we have songs, games, and we've got some more.
Okay. And let's pass the microphone on. Yes, it's finally your turn. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Vera.
And how old are you, Vera?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. And what do you like eating?
I like Nilena.
No, eating what food do you like?
I don't hear you good. My favorite food is apple.
Apple? Oh, I like apples as well. And
Red apple.
red apple? No, I like green apples. Oh. What do you like best in your lessons here? What do you like doing?
I like play games.
And you like the songs? What song do you like from?
I like Ooh, let's shake it, hey.
You like Animals at the Zoo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear Animals at the Zoo.
Animals